How to enable data saver on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on data saver mode on Spotify so you can stream music while using less mobile data. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Spotify app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Settings and Privacy. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the Settings section. Now from here, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as Data Saving and Offline. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section at the top, you can see the option labeled as Data Saver. So here under that, you'll see three options: on, automatic, and off. From there, you need to simply tap on to enable it, and that's it. That's how you can enable Data Saver mode on Spotify. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.